All right. So you guys, we list a home today in this market, let's just say, and we know in the last 12 months when a home is listed, how fast does it go under contract? I need feedback. Get off mute.
Within 24 hours.
24 hours. Okay. Anybody else? Everybody off mute and participate. Please.
48 hours.
All right. Dang. 20 week. 7 days or less. Love it. Right? We love numbers. Numbers love us. So let's look at these homes. Okay. Some of them. Let's find homes that our buyers would like. Now, here's one. Do you think this is a nice home? 300,000. This looks like a beautiful home. Let's look at it. Okay.
Yes.
I mean, oh my God, gated community. Oh my God, gated community. 300,000. You guys just told me homes. You guys, pardon?
I said, wow, that's nothing. 300,000.
Exactly. Pennies, right? You guys just told me the average home sells in less than 7 days, right?
Yes.
Look at this. How long has this home been on Zillow and not selling?
Oh, wow.
59 days. Wow.
Why is this home not selling, y'all?
It doesn't have a realtor.
Nobody knows about it.
It's sitting on Zillow.
Come on, y'all. Give me feedback. Don't be trying to be a secret agent in my meeting. Speak up. Y'all give me some good answers. This is something awesome.
Yeah, it's sitting on Zillow.
Why?
Because it doesn't have an agent, because no one has called on it.
Okay.
Because they got negative feedback from the homeowner.
Maybe nobody's going to see it. Somebody said maybe nobody knows about it.
The owner doesn't know how to sell.
The sellers
market it.
The sellers, like most real estate agents, they're a secret seller. Just like most real estate agents are a secret agent. They're scared to go on the internet and tell somebody about a home that they have for sale that's beautiful. Y'all see I'm fired up this morning.
Yeah.
Let's look at this home. Who wouldn't want, 300,000, it's even vacant. You can buy it.
And that's over 4,000 square feet.
Oh my God, look at this home. Do you have a buyer right now to be interested in taking a look at it? Who has a buyer right now to be interested in taking a look at this home? I'm gonna pull up Jacksonville in a second.
Yeah, okay. I could find one.
Okay, great. All right. So you know that if you had this home, remember there's only two things that you need to be successful in any business. Innovation. That's what I'm giving you right now. This is innovation. This is finding secret gems on the internet with for sale by owners. You could be completely broke right now as a real estate agent. And I'm showing you how you don't have to buy a lead. You don't have to do anything. You got 83 shots at getting one listing appointment today. The only question is, will you pick up the phone? Okay? Will you pick up the phone? Okay? So here's a home. You know, if you had this listing and you know you did an open house, you know that 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100 real estate agents would show up for this home and take a look at it. Because remember, the less pictures you show, the more people show up. You should write that down. The less pictures you show, the more people will show up. You see real estate agents now, what are they doing? They're showing they're showing 70 to 100 pictures now on listings. You guys see that out there?
Yeah, the whole house.
You will never in your life see one of my listings with more than 7 or 8 pictures. If I show you everything, that's like dating. This is dating, right? We get a listing and we want to date. This is a date. It's like we've all dated before. Now you don't show everything on a date before you go on the date. Some people do it, but you don't do it. Most people don't do that, right? Most people, you show a little bit. You give them a teaser. You don't stay on the phone 24 hours a day with a guy or a girl or a significant other. You like, oh yeah, boop, you act busy, boop, boop, you want to be desirable. We all do, guys and girls. And then they show up to the meeting and then they get to experience our beautiful personalities and all the stuff that's great about us. Same thing with real estate. This is dating. All right. So everybody here agrees if this was your listing, even though we got some gold in here, some outdated floors, some cabinets somebody might not like, that just think about it. What if we only showed this picture, this gated community picture, this picture's awesome, this picture's awesome. What if we only showed these pictures? What if we forget about the rest of them?
You want to see the rest?
Exactly. Right? So you would get buyers showing up with real estate who have real estate agents. Then you would have buyers showing up who don't have real estate agents. Right? And those are the ones you really want. Anyways, so now we all agree that if we had this listing, or if we had the right to show this home, that we would be able to get at least 10 people to come see it on a Saturday from 12 to 1, right? We agree with that?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Cool. All right. Okay. All right. I'm gonna walk you through it. Walk you through it. Walk you through it. Y'all should be excited right now. 300,000. Our average commission on our real estate team is 4%. I know you guys saying, how do you get 4% on the buy side? That's another training. Okay. 300. Well, we know what it is. $12,000 in commissions right here. This is worth $12,000 to us. Okay.